This is OXDF looking at Logic Chompers in Sans Holiday Hack 2021. This is a game that's based on logic stuff. Let's see, I will start it here in potpourri mode. To win the game legitimately, what I need to do is eat all the true statements. I need to get up through beat level 3 or stage 3. So I'll play it for a minute just to get a feel for how it goes. Looking for true statements. Not false is true. 0 less than or equal, that's true. Not false is true. Let's see what else. That shift looks good. That one does not. There's a not false. There's a 1 equals 1. There's a 0 equals 0. Man, these shift ones are the trickiest. That's not true. This one looks good. That one looks good. That one does not. Trying to beat this quickly so I can move on to the more interesting thing, which is hacking. Is this one? That looks good. I'm always sure I'm going to be missing a couple here. Let's see. So this one, that looks good. What am I missing now? That one's bad. This one would be true, except for it would shift on a 0, not a 1, so that's not right. Oh, there's not false right there. Duh. Oh, there's more. There's another not false up in the top corner. Okay, finish the stage. So we can do that all the way through. It's not that hard, it just takes some time, but it's not that interesting either. Let's go ahead and inspect the source that we're looking at here and see what we got. If you come over to sources, so first of all, it's interesting to look on the network, especially, I probably should have opened this up before I started playing the game. I can do some moving around here. Let's eat this true. We'll eat this. That one's good. That one's good. Let's eat some trues just to see what's happening. If I come back now to here, I can see that I'm not actually sending network. There's not network activity happening here, so it's happening locally. So that's good to know. I bet you if I beat a level that some network activity happens. You can see the troll log PNG showed up. That I'm guessing they just showed up on screen. But it's not like my chomps are causing network stuff. So let's go into sources and come down here to game, static. Let's see. Which these are PNGs, version 10, chompy.js seems like a good place to start. Can clear out my breakpoints from previous solves. Starting right up here at the top, there's a lot of commented stuff that's particularly interesting. So it does make me wonder, like, oh, what happens if I just start messing with this stuff? I could change my level, I could change my score, give myself a lot of points, etc. We'll keep that in mind for sure. Let's see, moving down. Let's look for some interesting stuff. Where do we win? Moving is interesting. Next troll log time's interesting. Key down, so here's where we're doing stuff. You might want to look at that. Choice. Okay. Chompy flex time, not sure what that means. Check win. That seems like where we're going to start. Work to do is false. It's then going to loop through the columns and the cells. If it evaluates the cell, if it's true, it sets work to do true. And then if not work to do, so the work's all done, they'll do all the winning stuff. So the first way I actually thought to hack this was, what if I come in here and, what if I come down here actually and say, if work to do, and save. And what if now if I go back, we might have to reload the page to get this to work. Oh no, look, stage 1 complete. I just solved it. And stage 2 complete, and stage 3 complete, and we've unlocked. You can see in the bottom, I just unlocked this. I solved the challenge, so this is good. So we clearly have found one way to hack this challenge is just to step up levels. I could do things like let's put a pause here for a second so we can stop. So we're at a breakpoint. I could also do things like coming back here. I'm at stage 11 right now, difficulty 3. What if I make that? What if I say is it stage is 11? You can see down here in the bottom, very bottom terminal. What if I say stage equals a lot? And then I come up here and I play. Do we update? We do. We're at a very high stage now. In fact, if I let this play through a few times, I'll see after a few of these that my difficulty will increase as well, I believe, because we look down here when I win. see, we're calling, let's see, so we call it, we do stage complete. We call it chompy flex time. So chompy flex, we need chompy flex, that's this. And that's where if stage mod 3 equals 0, we'll also increase the difficulty as well. So the difficulty is not going to jump up, but it will increment as well. So I can do things like that. I can also come down here and see, you know, this right here, post victory token, is where I'm actually getting the accomplishment from. And so that's my real goal, is to get the, you know, the accomplishment. You know, I can take a look and say, where's this post results function? Ooh, I had it a second ago. And it's actually open conduit.js. It's in a different file. If I come over here, and that's because this is part of like the bigger infrastructure that Sans and CounterHack have built out around the Holiday Hack Challenge. And so this is actually a lot harder to mess with. I could do stuff in here, but it's, you know, now I'm dealing with the crypto and how they are passing around the tokens and stuff to verify that I've won. So I'm probably going to stay out of that, actually. Coming back in here, let's see what else I got. But I could do something here. You know, this is post victory results happens if stage 3 and style equals 4, right? Or stage is greater than equals 3 and style equals 4. There's no reason I couldn't set a breakpoint here right away and say, you know, what stage am I on? Well, a lot. And what style am I on? In this case, I am on 4. But what if I just put it on level 0 with only the easiest stuff, and then put a breakpoint here, and when it got to this check, I just changed. Said, oh, actually, stage is 4 and style is 4. Go. I could set it right down here and then let it run, and it would post my result, and I'd get a win that way as well. So this is certainly hackable in lots of different ways. I'm actually back here. I logged out and logged in with like a new dummy account, because I want to actually show this one, because I think it's kind of neat. I want to show that it actually registers the win here. So I'm going to come here and go to sources. I don't need this. I don't need logo. Let's see. So come down here to the sources again. I do have to actually start the challenge. I'm starting in the wrong, you know, so Boolean logic, not something I should be able to win on, and beginner stage 0, not something I should be able to win on. And we will come here. Oops, I did not mean to close that. So game static, version 1, chompy.js. And we're going to come right here and leave our breakpoint right here. And so we should, anytime we win a level now, we should be able to see this. So let's quickly win this level. Not false. True, there's that. There's 2 trues there. 0 equals 0, A equals A, B equals, ooh, that's wrong. B equals B. So not false. So 0 is true, not true, that's fine, that's good. And we won the level. And we froze. You can see it froze. And here we are at the breakpoint. If I come down here in the console, you can see what is my stage? Stage 1. What is my style? Style is 0. So let's go ahead and set style equal to 4. Like, as we are right now, if I just play this, I'm not going to do my post results. So I can do, but if I set this as 4, I set my stage to something greater than or equal to 3. So 4 seems like a good answer. And now I let this play. Boom! I unlock the achievement. You can see it right down here. So there's myriad ways to attack this code. It's pretty insecure. It's it's an early challenge in the challenge this year, so it's probably meant to be that way. But there's a couple different ways we can attack it. So thanks for sticking around, and I will talk to you next time.